Hello and welcome in section 5, getting some culture, becoming a deep neural Picasso with deep neural networks. Here we'll be using a custom convolutional neural network to transfer style from one image to the other. And our project goals starts with learning how to prepare images to do that. And we'll be using a method that we've used with our AlexNet network to prepare those images, so we'll have a lot of similarities here. Then the next goal is to understand the general idea behind this style transfer. At the surface, the idea is really simple, but when you start getting into details, it becomes more complex. And my goal here is to show you that PyTorch is really a very flexible framework. You can use it to pretty much change your network in any way you want. So we'll dive into some details, but our main goal would be to understand the general idea behind it. Then we also want to learn how to use this style transfer model that we'll be building and also training to produce really awesome images. And I've got a few paintings from my friend Anya, and you'll see that using those paintings produce a really nice result. And of course, you'll learn how to use this model with your own favorite paintings and pictures to produce some awesome images. So let's look at our project's plan. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to transfer our images to tensors, which are a special arrays that we can use with PyTorch. And this is the first thing that we need to do. Then after that, we need to build, train, and use a custom convolutional neural network for style transfer. And just keep in mind that we'll be using a pre-trained convolutional neural network, just like our AlexNet network from section 2, but we'll use it slightly differently.